Detoxification can boost your metabolism, and this is why it should be on the top of your to-do list. Today on Homeveda, I will discuss something that took me a while to understand, but when I did understand the concept, it changed my life. The cucumber lemon mint detox drink. To make this drink, we need 1 cucumber, 1 lemon, fresh mint leaves and water. So let's start. Take a large pitcher full of water or a glass bottle full of water. Now let's add some cucumber slices in this. Now let's add some lemon slices. Lemon also happens to be a strong detox agent. Drinking lemon water first thing in the morning will flush out all the toxins from your system. Lemon is also known to purify your blood, thus keeping your body free from many health disorders. Lemon water can also benefit your liver health. Studies have observed that the liver produces more enzymes in the presence of lemon when compared to other food items. Enzymes are essential to stimulate, accelerate, and catalyze various chemical reactions in the human body. And now let's add some mint leaves. Mint is rich in antioxidants, menthol, and phytonutrients that help the enzymes to digest food. The essential oils in mint possesses strong antibacterial and antiseptic effects that calm stomach cramps and help ease acidity and flatulence. Let's close the bottle and let's make sure that you mix it well. You will want to let it sit and refrigerate for at least 4 hours so that it becomes infused with the flavors. For best results, allow it to sit overnight. Pour it into a tall glass and enjoy it on the back deck. Another great option to detox your body is ginger tea. Ginger tea is an excellent detox tea. It is great for your digestive system. It, however, does not mean you add sugar and milk in it. It is either just ginger boiled in water or tea leaves and ginger boiled in water. Well, we put things in our body for energy and discard things from our body that do not have any nutritional value through urination, excreta and sweating. Detoxification is not just about eating and releasing, it is also about giving your organs a well-deserved rest. One of the best ways to detox your body is fasting. Fasting means not putting any food in your body. You can have about 3 liters of water. Also, the first thing you should do in the morning to detoxify your body is oil pulling, which is gargling with 2 tablespoons of sesame or coconut oil for 15 minutes and then spitting it out and brushing your teeth as usual. According to Ayurveda and doctors too, if you eat what is directly sourced from the nature, drink enough water, maintain hygiene and rest well, your body will detoxify itself to a large extent without any external help. So how do you detoxify your system? If you haven't been doing it yet, then do you want to try home remedies to detoxify your body? Do let us know your thoughts on this. For more such information, do watch out for our next video. And make sure to consult a medical practitioner to know what is right for you.